So I'm finally getting around to getting started on this Skylark. Some of the things that I have to do would be the interior, probably strip off all the rest of the side moldings, weld all those holes up, get the grill and the bumper on, get those all matched up and looking good. But the first thing that I need to do is fix this starting issue. When you try to start it, it wants to grind real bad. And I'm thinking it's either a flywheel or a starter issue. I need to pull all that apart and find out for sure. So that's where we're going to begin. So I'm sitting there looking at how I was going to get just seeing how easy the transmission bolts were to get out. And then I come across this. Check this shit out. I don't know how well you're seeing that there, but that bolt right there, up against the firewall. Isn't that wonderful? But I guess it ain't that bad because I wanted to go through all these gaskets and everything anyway. So I might as well just tear it all apart, pull the engine transmission out of this unit, separate them, see what's going on with that starter. And remember, don't forget your safety. So as you can see, we got the whole front end taken off. And I go to take the exhaust off, and then I notice this. This is pretty cool. So basically this little header right here, now that it's off, won't come out because of the steering shaft. I guess the steering shaft will need to come out.